Hello everyone, so we're here from this round number 7 or day 7 in this analyze of these games here in FIDE Women's Grand Prix and also Gross Lubling 2025. So it means round number 7 in this chess games in this one. So it means these are the long game from this chess cloud within 1 hour and 30 minutes from this game. So it means round robin from this one. So in this today's round 7 and also have between from this grandmaster in China Tan Zhongyi versus international master in Georgia is Lela Javakishvili. So it means these are the Georgia. So it means these are Georgia or Europe or maybe America. So I don't know what's the places here from this country from this one or etc. So in this today's game number 7 here in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this round number 7 in FIDE Women's Grand Prix Cruise Loop. So white plays Tan is e4, e5 Lela, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, and also entering Yokopiano, c3, and also knight f6, threat by e4 here, and also d3, castling, and also d5. So it means d5 by Lela. So these are the main line here is also have d6. These are d6 by move by black pieces here from this one. So it means Lela moved by d5, threat by bishop here, and also capture this pawn. Knight takes captured, and also rook e1. So these are the rook e1 without move by here without determinations here by Tan Zhongyi, and also bishop to g4 by Lela. So these are the bishop to g4 or maybe without threat by queen without queen. So these are the determinations here by focusing move here. So realize here without determinations here, and also h3. So without threat by bishop here, and also bishop backwards h5 here. So if you capture this, bishop takes knights here, and decided queen takes captured. So these are the examples by determinations here from this one. So these are the focusing by captured or maybe without capture to captured here from this one. So bishop backwards h5 by Lela here from this one, and also knight bd2 without defense or protects by here by knights here from this one, and also knight b6 without doubles to doubles. So double by knights here. So these are the doubles here. So these are the threat by bishop here, or attacking this bishop by threat by targets here. So these are the controls by determinations by develops here from this one. And also bishop b3 by backwards by Tans here, and also queen takes captured pawn. So these are the queen takes captured pawn. So the way with idea, so these are the bishop threat by knights or queen threats by knights here. So these are the doubles by queens and knights. So these are the problems by knights to queen by defense by here, and these are the pawns by defense here from this one. So these are the determinations or maybe by or focusing by concentration. So these are the defense here, and also knight takes e5. So these are the openings by knight takes e5 by Tan. So these are the knight takes e5. So knights, if you capture this queen, and also bishop takes captured by queens. So these are the knights by threat by queens or bishop by threats by queens here. So these are the openings here from this one. So and also queen f5 without move by Lela here, and also knight ef3 without go back here without go back by knight ef3. So why? Because if you queen here with a threat by knight, so these are the knights threatening by knights here. These are the without defense by rooks here, without development from this one by focusing move by determination by connecting here from this one. And also go back here is knight ef3 by tan. So these are the covering by here by knight. So it means the bishop cannot attacks by queens here without queens. So these are the development from these determinations here from this one. And also rook a d8. So it means these are the move by rook a d8 here by move by without, or maybe 3 steps or 4 steps by rook a d8 here from this one. And also queen e2, queen backwards c8 with idea to go back by queen c8 by Lela. So these are the focusing idea here from this one. And also knight e4 by tan. So without knight e4 by tans, with idea with a threat by bishop, or maybe with a forwards by knight to g3. So it means these are the time concentrations or focusing here by move here without thinking or or determinations here from this one. And also knight d7 by Lela, and also bishop f4. So it means these are none of this booklet. So it means novelty. So novelty by Tans here. And also the old main line here is decided is knight takes captured, or maybe knight forwards to g3. So these are the old main lines here from this one without without movement here by connection by connecting here from this one. So the new novelty is bishop to f4 by Tans here, and also bishop to b6 without cannot captured by knights here from this one, and also queen c2. So it means with idea. So these are the bishop to queens without behinds by in. So it means so it terminates here for without determinations by focusing by challengers here from this one. And also knight c5 by Lela. So without idea. So these are the threat by bishop here by knights, or knight threatening by knights here without focusing move by determinations here from this one. And also knight takes c5, good move by Tan. So these are the good move by great move here. And also bishop takes knight, and also knight h4. So it means without knight h4 without forward by here by knight to f5. These are the defense by queens. So these are the protects by queens here without controls or connecting by queens or knights here from this one. And also bishop to d6 without to bishop, and bishop g5 avoided. So it means these are bishop g5 by Tans. So without threat by rooks here, without targets by attacking by rook here from this one. So for example, why don't we capture this bishop takes captured here from this one? So what do you think from this one? And also decided rook takes bishop. So why do you think if you rook takes bishop here? What do you think from this one? And decided this one is knight f5. So threat by here, the threatening by rook. So these are the targets or threat without 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 attacking this one, or maybe without to eating by rook here from this one. So what do you think here? And also rook backwards d8. So slightly better goods from white and blacks here from this one. So back there is bishop to g5 with a threat by rooks here, and also rook de8. So these are the 8th rank by Lela. So these are rook to rook. So it means without rook to rooks here from this one. And also queen f5 by Tan. So it means with idea without queen to queen. So these are the without queen to queen, and the second is without rook to rook, doubled by queens and rooks here from this one. So it means these are the determinations here by focusing move from this one. And also rook e5 by Lela with idea without threat by queens or leaving us by queen. So how do you know do rooks to captured by queens by leaving us by queens here from this one? And And also, sorry, my tab mouse is very hard here from this one. So let's continue. So tan accepting by rook takes captured, knight takes rook, so it means bad move by Lela. So the best moves there is bishop takes rook, so it means we need to captured by here, so it means without captured here we need to captured by bishop takes rook here from this one. Or so if you decided here, if you captured by queen takes queen to queens here from this one, and also rook takes queen, so it means slightly better goods from whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is knight takes e5 and also bishop to e3, Bran X move by tan. So the best moves there is accepting queen takes captured and also rook takes queen. So it means these are the good examples here from this one. So back there is bishop e3 and also bishop to e2, another bad move by Lela. So the best moves there is accepting queen takes captured and also knight takes queen. So with the idea to threatening targets by bishop. So what do you think by threatening, and also rook to d8? So it means without defense here, without good examples here from this one. So back there is bishop to e2. So puzzle. So what do you think with the idea? Great move by with a decision by best move by Tan Zhongyi. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Bishop d4, great move. So it means without good move by Tan, without threatening by here by knights here from this one. So it is target by knights here. And also bishop b5, so it means without backwards here. And also bishop takes captured check, so it means without check here. So with idea, so how do you move here if your knight takes bishop, or maybe by rook takes bishop? So what do you think if you captured this one? So what do you think if you captured? So with idea, so Lela captured her by knight takes f7. So it means knight takes f7 by without captured here, but we need to capture by knight takes bishop. So it means without terminations here from this one. And also queen takes bishop without avoided. So what do you think if we capture this queen? So it means queen to queen. And also rook takes queen. Oh, these are the examples here from this one. These are the, so it means without determinations or maybe without focusing by chess here. So back there is queen takes bishop here, and also c5 threatening by bishop here, bishop backwards e3, knight e5. So it means without knight e5 by Lela, without with idea to move by knight to g4 or threatening by bishop. So these are the focusing idea here from this one. And also rook d1 with a threat by bishop, bishop backwards e7, and also f4 with a threat by knights, knight backwards f7 without focusing to backwards here, with idea to move backwards by f7 by knights here from this one. And also knight f3, queen e6. So it means without queen e6, with idea to targets by pawns e2, a2, sorry, so it means a2. So it means without targets by a2 or maybe targets by bishop, threat by pawns or bishop. So without doubles by targets, without attacking this one. And also decided bishop to backwards f2 by Tan. So it means we need to backwards here. And also knight d6 without threatening by queen, neutralized by queens here. So maybe without targets by queens here from this one. And also queen takes captured, knight e4, another threatening by queens or threatening by queens, or maybe bishop by targets by queens. So it means double without move by here, knight e4 without opening, without bishop. So it means bishop or knights. So it means these are the targets here without threat by attacking this queen here from this one. And also queen e5 without queen to queen here, and Lala accepting queen takes captured, pawn takes queen, and also b5. So it means without movement by Lela, or with idea by move by a6 or a5. So these are the determinations by developed here from this one. And also rook d7 by Tan with a threatening by bishop or pawns. So these are the doubles here. And also knight takes captured, king takes knight, and also bishop c5 check, king e2, rook b8, and also b4 with a threat by bishop here, and also b6 by bishop here, bishop b6, and also king d3 with idea to move by force move by here by Tan Zhongyi, and also a5 without threat by pawns, or maybe without doubles here from this one. And also the last shot is a3. So it means these are the enough to is enough. So it means end of this game. So it means resigned by Lela Chapakishvili from Georgia. So why? Because these are the finished business from this one. So it means end of this game. So it means lose by blacks here. So it means the score from these white pieces by Tan Zhongyi is 95.0 points, and the black score by currency by Lela is 87.8. So the winner from this round number 7 is Grandmaster Tan Zhongyi. Congratulations from this one. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep update of these next chess updates. So happy Monday. Bye bye.